How to cancel a Gemini Advanced subscription and free trial. So if you were to cancel a Gemini Advanced subscription and a free trial, then you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and you need to simply go for the search and search for Gemini. Once you've searched, you need to open up your gemini.google.com and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, now if you have your Gemini Advanced, then you can simply go with settings, which is you on the bottom left, and then you will have cancel subscription option, or you will have manage subscription option. So for now, I have not taken the Gemini Advanced, but if you have the Gemini Advanced, then you will have manage subscriptions. For example, I'll be showing you in this way. So if you go with the menu button, then you will have the manage subscriptions options right here. So you can simply click on the manage subscriptions under your settings, and then you'll be redirected to your Google One settings page, and you can find the cancel membership drop down menu and click on it. So here you will have the cancel membership option. You just need to click on the cancel membership, and here you need to click on drop down bar. Once you click on the drop down bar, here you will have cancel option. Click on cancel and you will cancel the membership. Confirmation pop-up will show on your screen, and then select cancel and your membership will be cancelled. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.